Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Marcus Split. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the goal of this puzzle is to disassemble and reassemble this. So to begin with, we are going to grip the lighter colors, and we're going to try pushing on the darker colors. So I'm pushing in the down direction on this, and it's not moving, so I have it backwards. So I'm going to flip it around, and I'm just going to try pushing this way, and I can feel it give a little bit. Now this has a bunch of magnets holding in position, and it breaks apart like so. Now from here, you'll want to rotate this piece around, and then from this position you'll want to rotate the light pieces around so that you're like this, and then you can just pull it apart. Now from here, these pieces actually do disassemble even further, which is quite interesting. You can actually split them like that. Really interesting design. And then they just go back together like so. So you could switch and mix and match these a bit. At least I believe you can. I'm not sure how the magnets per se work with that, whether they're set up to be in this exact configuration or not. But either way, to put it back together, we just slide the two ends together. Then we will rotate the lighter piece. Then we will rotate the darker piece. And then just slide it back together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.